Hello everyone, my name is Alvin Pibuludan. I am grouped with J.R. Gutierrez and now I am going to explain our slogan with titled Think Twice, Click Once, Responsible Choices Matter. So the slogan Think Twice, Click Once, Responsible Choices Matter is a simple yet powerful reminder about how we should act online. Let's explore what it means in a clear and easy to understand way. So imagine the internet as a big playground. It's full of fun, things like games, videos, and ways to connect with friends. But just like any playground, it has rules to keep everyone safe and happy. This slogan is like a reminder of those rules. So first, think twice means to stop and think before you do something online. Don't rush before you click a link, post a message, or share a picture. Ask yourself a few questions. Is this website safe? Does it look trustworthy? Could it be trying to trick me? Is this message kind? Would I say this to someone's face? Could it hurt someone's feelings? Is this information true? Did I check to make sure it's not fake news? Should I share this picture or video? Does it show something private about me or someone else? Number two, click once. Click once means that once you do something online, it's often hard to take it back. A mean message can hurt someone's feelings for a long time. Sharing a private picture can cause lots of trouble, so think carefully before you click. The third one, responsible choices matter. Responsible choices matter is the most important part. It means that the things we do online affect other people and ourselves. So being responsible means being kind and respectful. Treat others online the way you'd want to be treated. Being careful with information. Don't share private things or spread false information. Next, being safe. Protect your personal information and be careful about the websites you visit. Being a good citizen. Follow online rules and help make the internet a better place. In short, the slogan asks us to be thoughtful and careful online. It's easy to click, but taking a moment to think before you click can prevent problems and help build a better internet for everyone. It's about making good choices because those choices matter to you, to others, and to the whole online world. Thank you.